What do you buy?
I
Tell.
I buy Basreng and Pop Ice.
How much do you buy, Basreng?
Uh, 5,000.
5,000? Is
Yeah.
it cheap or expensive to buy? Mahal or-
Natural.
Natural.
Yeah.
So, do you like basreng for eating?
Yeah, I like it
Why do you like basreng for eating? Why?
because is it good?
Good.
Yeah.
Are you not stomach to eat basreng for eating?
No.
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 Do you usually to buy basreng?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. So your school is very large. I'm very tired to come here. From there to come here, very tired to walk.
Thank you for coming.
So, what grade are you in your school?
Yeah.
What grade are you in your school? What grade? Kelas berapa?
I am 11.
11th grade.
Yeah.
Oh, what the major do you take?
I'm software engineering.
Oh, software engineering, computer. Are you?
Yeah,
Oh,
computer.
nice. Is she your friend?
Yeah. Is it?
What does she
Yes.
drink? What does she drink?
She brings drinks. My drinks.
Oh, your beer. What kind of the drink do you buy?
Yeah.
What kind of drink do you buy? Juice, orange, or what?
Is it Pop Ice?
Popeye. How much have you bought for ice?
3,000.
3,000. Very
Yeah.
cheap, yeah? Yeah. Okay, good. Thank you, Neng.
Yeah,
See
you're
you later.
welcome. My
Yeah.
pleasure.